the blindfolded. But we already put glue because we make a mess. We did make a mess. So we have already put the glue.
Yeah.
And we were mixing, but okay. So we have the shaving cream, the glue, the smelly, for you can smell the slime, the glitter.
And the chili.
Yeah, and the glue, and the glue was this, was the Elmer's glue. So yeah. So we're gonna put this blind thingies. So we're gonna put them.
I see there. I see there.
Mm. So I'm checking with my mom, guys. No.
What is it? Pero así, okay?
There. Okay. Now I'm gonna start. We're gonna mix.
Oh.
There we go.
Now go.
Put in shaving cream. Yo pongo shaving cream. Esto. Yo pongo este primero.
Evelyn, look at mouse.
¿Estás viendo?
No.
¡Ah! No te destapes, no te destapes.
Ujú.
Okay.
No quiero destapar más.
No. Ten.
No, yo no puedo poner.
Ahí está.
No puedo poner.
Trata.
Mira.
Mami, ¿dónde está el tissue? Tissue.
¿Qué es eso?
El papel. Dame el papel de papel. So I'm getting trying to get them.
Mami,
Que no.
no quiero ver.
Tienes que ver.
Quiero ver.
Que no vea.
Okay, he's gonna look, guys. He's gonna cheat, but okay, I don't care.
Okay, I want this one. Ah! Amazing glue.
Okay. Okay, guys. So
Me das un paquete para mí.
okay, guys. Okay, so I'm not gonna change. He's gonna cheat. Okay. So I already put the shaving cream. Gonna mix.
No, like me. No, me. Mami, no puedo echar.
I think this is the.
No, that's late.
¿Sí le eché?
No. Echaste algo. ¿Le
¿Le
echaste?
estoy echando?
No.
¿Ya?
Okay. I'm gonna mix first.
Ya. First, I want to get
Smells good.
Mami, ¿le puedo echar esto?
Okay, which color is this?
Shh.
No digas que.
Voy a echar esto. Pero yo creo que
No,
Chin.
Correcto.
Chin.
no quiero ver, ok. Este es blue.
¿La abro?
Blue, my name is blue.
Oh my god. I'm chin.
It's blue.
No, la
Shh. Yes, it is.
acabó.
Okay, guys, so I forgot to do something to ring the tide or the. Let me ring it.
Mom, quiero unos colores de eso porque yo quiero los dos. Sí, porque se hace de colores y caca. Evelyn metió los colores como esto y le echó y se hizo caca.
Mami,
Va.
¿puedes calentar este por 25 o 35 minutos? Y puedes ponerle esto y meterle. Okay guys, so my mom is doing the borax right now. I don't know what
Acá
to
blue,
do.
Evelyn.
Shh, yo gotta.
No, yo la de blue.
I want to see guys, but right now I was gonna put the you already know the borax. I really want to see but guys, but I can't. ¿Le pusiste este para volver rico? ¿Sí le puso mami? ¿Cuál? ¿Este? ¿Ese?
Sí, le
A ver, yo lo he hecho.
Yo le he hecho. Yo te.
¿Dónde está tu bote?
Ahí está.
¿Ya le eché?
Ya.
Ok. Huele rico. ¿Ya? Okay, so now I need to do the thingy.
First melting. Give me. No, no. It's your trash. Evelyn. ¿Se le acabó?
Okay, guys, I almost finished. Oh, I forgot the glitter. Where's the glitter? This one is? No, I don't want that one. I think this one is
You put a lot.
good. Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you put glitter?
Yes. No.
Okay.
I put a lot. Wow.
Okay, right now, I think this is the heart. Oh, that's the heart. And this is the borax. I don't know if you can see. That's the borax.
Give me.
And we're gonna put. Oh, wait, you're gonna burn yourself. I think so.
Give me the green.
Wait, I'm gonna put
I
some.
want the green.
Just put some. I'm putting it. It feels like already like slime. But it's not slime, it's not slime. So yeah, I did a mess, guys. I think I did a mess. So it's gonna stick. It's sticky, guys.
Yeah, sticky. Mira, peach legs. Chile, acá blue.
Put some more. I don't want to like put a lot of waters because it's gonna be a really not stretchy. It's gonna be like a ball.
Mommy.
Okay, now I'm mixing with my hands. Oh, I want to do this is blue, guys. This is blue.
Poquito, ¿ok? No todo poquito, ¿ok?
It's sticky.
Okay, guys, this is my slime. I don't know if you're right there. Yeah, right there. Because I'm looking that way. But yeah. It's not even stretchy, it's really, oh my god. That's not stretchy.
Evelyn, mira, abre.
You already put this? ¿Ya pusiste esto? Put some, a little, poquito. What's this like? I'm gonna clean that. Oh, I did put a lot of borax. It feels like I don't want to mess my shirt up. I'm gonna move a little where I can not mess my shirt up. Forgot about my shirt.
Oh, sticky.
Okay, guys. Okay, now I can take it off. Ready, set,
Go. Acá blue.
Oh my god, I did a mess.
Mira. Mira.
What? You got blue?
Yes. See?
I think it's because at first I was thinking it was red, and then when I got it, it was blue. I was thinking it was blue, but it's not stretchy, guys. My slime is not stretchy. It's really unbreakable. No pongas mucho.
Yo no poní mucho porque ya poní.
Okay, guys.
Evelyn, ¿por qué la poniste con dedo?
Porque te estoy ayudando.
Mami, Evelyn ponió más la de esta y ya no sirvió. ¡Le batí!
Here.
Give me. So sticky. See, that's mine.
Here. Well, we did a lot of mess.
Ooh, these stacks.
Okay, so that's not even stretchy. I need to put something to be stretchy, like something
Sticky.
stretchy. Body
Ooh,
lotion.
mommy. That's so sticky.
Hand sanitizer. Body lotion and hand
Mommy,
sanitizer too.
it's not sticky, mommy.
This is not
It's sticky.
sticky because
This is
we
different.
put a lot of borax, and I did drop a lot of borax in here, but that's okay. I still have some.
Se hizo dura.
Let me see yours, a ver el tuyo.
Está ruda.
So, yeah, guys. So now I'm just, let me see.
Está dura.
Yeah, because even Kevin didn't get it right. I don't know why, but I think mine is more stretchy than his. Yeah, mine is more stretchy.
Just put it in.
He's gonna mix it. Okay, I don't care.
Is it here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna pick up right now.
Oh, two colors?
Some colors. Okay, guys. So I did have it in here. When I did go to my room, I did take this off because how I'm gonna see. And I did when I did came to give my mom the bottle,
Mommy!
I put this on when I came. So yeah.
Pero está dura esto.
También está dura.
Ew.
Esta es mejor porque esa no se te pega la ropa. Porque esa está dura. Okay, guys. Bye, guys.